Your property is costing you money. Presentation for UK portfolio holders. Your property is quietly draining your profits every single month, especially if you've got them in your personal name and you haven't addressed the taxation implications from Section 24. Maintenance, voids, compliance, running costs, Renters' Rights Act, all these things add to your headaches. Traditional buy-to-let is quietly eroding your returns. Here are the key cost drains biting into your portfolio margins every single month. Maintenance and repair costs eating into your margins, voids between tenants destroying cash flow, compliance and regulatory costs tightening, Section 24 tax changes, reducing your net yield. Eroding returns, eroding wealth. Net yield 2 to 3% versus inflation 4%. Landlords are losing out in real terms. Specialised supported housing is secure, ethical, and profitable. This involves long-term leases with regulated care providers on commercial to residential conversions for one-bedroom flats or new build developments, one-bedroom bungalows, 60 square meters each. Talk to us about how this can avoid all of the problems we discussed earlier about Section 24. It's not a buy-to-let strategy, and there are no Renters' Rights Act implications. There are no tenants or guests. This is a full repairing and insuring lease of the whole building to a registered care provider for 15 years, getting a guaranteed rental income of approximately £330 per week per unit over 15 years, and every year you get a cost of living increase based on the retail price index increase. The benefits of specialised supported housing. There are four powerful benefits that make specialised supported housing the smarter choice for UK portfolio landlords. Long-term full repairing and insuring leases to registered care providers. These are usually 15 years plus. Sometimes there are options in place, 5-year option beyond the 15 years. Zero voids, guaranteed income. The registered care provider undertakes the obligation to fill the units. So you're renting out the whole building and the registered care provider is responsible for filling it and for any voids. Zero maintenance and management headaches. This is a full repairing and insuring lease, so the registered care provider who undertakes the lease is responsible for maintaining the building. Inflation-linked income backed by local authorities. These schemes are underwritten by the local authority. They issue a letter of support from the Specialised Supported Housing Commissioner in support of each scheme. Consistent income. 15-year plus leases delivering predictable inflation-linked returns based on today's price is £330 per unit per week. The ALPS framework. ALPS use the following framework as part of their quality control and systems for acquiring, leveraging. P is for project design. U is for upgrade or undertake the project design, implement it, and S is for safe, secure investment returns. Partnership, the development and the care provider are partners with the local authority to provide care for vulnerable and disabled people. My name is Alan Edwards. I'm a Chartered Construction Manager. I'm a Fellow of the Chartered Institute of Building and the Association for Project Management. I've got 30 years plus experience in project management with Crossrail, Railtrack, Arup and ACOM. Case study of specialised supported housing is Belmont House, Love Lane, Bodmin in Cornwall, where we're acquiring a closed down nursing home of 12,000 square feet. We're converting it into 8 one-bedroom flats, 45 square meters each, 5 one-bedroom bungalows, 60 square meters each, and the rental income revenue from these 13 units will be £220,000 per annum. The gross development value based on the commercial lease is 3.5 million. So there are two pathways that we can actually help you with. We also offer a done-for-you deal service. So if you're a portfolio landlord, you want to dispose of some properties, if you make us aware of them and we can actually help you to dispose of these properties by selling to other investors, we've got either a done-for-you service, which is quick to implement, or a done-with-you service where we actually talk with investors and help them to achieve their goals. Are you ready to secure your returns? If you like any of the content you've heard or seen in this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's alan@alpusgroup.com. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE. You can check out videos on at Alan Edwards Official, or at Alpus Group, or at Alpus Property Development. And you can check us out on our website, alpusgroup.com. We're also on Instagram and most social media platforms. So Alpus can provide you secure income, secure impact, secure returns using our specialised supported housing, and also we do social housing as well. So for other properties not suitable for development into specialised supported housing, we can achieve better returns using them as social housing with an element of care provision. If you like this video, don't hesitate to say so in the box below this video, comment on it, subscribe to our channel, and watch out for more investment tips with Alan.